Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be doing Ipsy. I have had Ipsy and my daughter was collecting all of my Ipsys and just like putting them in a box and not telling me about it. So I ended up with like a year's supplies of Ipsy, and today we're going to open it and see what it is. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and let's get ready to see what we got for Ipsy for a year. Okay, so I have so many Ipsys. This is not even all of them. So, okay, so there are 10 Ipsys that I have. Like I said, my daughter was putting them into a box and just kind of not telling me about them. And I finally ran across them after I called Ipsy and said I was not receiving my products. And she, they kind of looked into it and found out that they were sending it. And in fact, my daughter was just taking them and putting them away because it was in this shiny pink envelope. So I decided finally I'm gonna open them. Now there was a year supply. I have already opened 2 before I decided, wait, maybe I should video this so people can see what you get in about a year. So I've already opened 2, so there are 10 left to open. Let's see what we have in these damn Ipsy boxes. So this is pack number 1, which I think is super cute. And inside, we have samples of PM Mint Pear Your Youth Vitamin Sunscreen, which is this. Betty Lou Minimizer. Don't know what this is. Oh, it's a balm. So we have this right here. We have okay, no Problem Primer, which should be fun to use. So I hope we can see this. Great. We do get a brush, which I think is really pretty. It has rainbows on it, so I think it's really cute. And last but not least, we have Jessie's Girl. This is a liquid eyeliner pencil. So we have 5 things. They're very interesting. I can't wait to play with them and try. And we are on to pack 2, which I love this pack. Let me say that because it's just so freaking cute. And we have some more liquid eyeliner, Ico. We have Rodile, which is a dragon's blood tonic, which I don't know what the hell that's for, but we'll figure it out, right? Oh, some pretty lippy Pixie by Petra, which is cute, super cute color. Some mascara by Tarot. Last but not least, we have Christy Brinkley in bag 2, which is Complete Clarity, a daily facial exfoliant. I can't wait to use this because I love exfoliants because my skin starts to break out and it's a whole situation. Next bag, bag number 3, I think should be fun because it's bulky. What is... okay. This is Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. Cute. Interesting. Naked. This is in Desert Sunset. This is eyeshadow. We also have Temp 2, which I don't know what this is, and I'll try to figure it out, but yeah. Real Chemistry a luminous 2-minute peel. It's a facial peel, which is interesting for bag 3. And last but not least, we have in bag 3, if I can open it, y'all, like, oh, they bubble wrapped it and everything, like, I guess, Manicador Beauty in Paradise Blush, which I think is a really pretty color. So I like that. This is the last item in bag 3. And let's keep moving forward. In bag 4, we have Hey Honey, Good Morning, which is a facial serum. We also have Color is Bay by Elizabeth Mott. Let's see. We have Instant Brow Pencil, which is here. Banana Highlight Powder by Ofra Cosmetic Laboratories. And last but not least, we have the Professional Benefit, which is something for cleansing your face and your pores. Awesome. I think that's kind of cute, actually. That's bag 4. See, bag 5, which I think is the cutest bag yet. And it does have a little clutch handle on this one. Let's see. We have another banana powder by Ofra. We have a heavy cream by Cake, which is an intensive hand repair balm. That's weird. Tarte, we have, I can't even see what this is. Wow, okay. It's an oil. We do have a brush, which is by Royale, is the Angle Shader brush, which I think is really cute, in purple, my favorite color. And we have a liquid velvet, and I can read, y'all, I just can't see with the light. We have a liquid velvet lippy. Bag 6 is a really cute bag. And in that bag, we got City Color Photo Chic Dark Spot Corrector, which is this, which is very light. So that's interesting for my skin tone. We have a Tarte Lippy lip paint, and it does not give the color that I can see, but it's a pretty color. Fat Brow Liner and Filler. And last but not least, we have Milk and Foam Coconut Milk Pure Mild Cleanser, and this is by Neogen. Awesome. I was so taken aback by what it was. I just said it was cute. These are tweezers, you all. These are tweezers. I am so happy for that. Bag number 7 right here. Some Luminude by Seraphine Botanicals. Luminude. Purifying Black Charcoal Mask, Hydration and Moisture. Soe Natural Collagen Essence Mask. This is green tea. We also got Benefine Food Skincare Gentle Cleanser with Sugar, Mint, Oats, and Rice. And last but not least, NYX Butter Lipstick. Isn't that cute? That's 7. Oh, let's see what else we got. Oh, wait. This right here, which is Royale Lang Nickel. It's a fan brush. And again, my favorite color, which is purple. Cute for bag 7. Now, I'm sorry, bag 8. Bag 9. They gave this little clear bag for bag 9. We have a purple brush, even though it doesn't match the other brushes. It is by Luxie, and it's a full face brush. We have a Brighten Up Enzyme Face Rejuvenator by Basanti. We have Shadow, and the plastic is all over this one, so we can't really see what it is, but it's cute. We have Lord & Berry, a nude lip liner. And last but not least, we have from Benefit, Gimme Brow, which is another brow filler. I think they're trying to say something wrong with my damn brows. I don't know. But we are at number 10. And like I said, I've already opened the other 2 off camera and started playing with them, so there's no need for me to show them. We have bag 10. Okay, what did we get? We got by The Balm, we have Cabana Boy, which I love The Balm, so I've actually had this product before. So I love this, and Cabana Boy is actually a really pretty shadow color. Love that shadow color if you can't tell. Pure Laissez Daily Lip Nourisher with mango and shea butter. We have Tristique, which is a mini MAC lip crayon. It looks like what I have on, but it's not. Tache Pure One Step Camilla's Cleaning Gel. Last but not least, we have purple, which is Joe Chic nail polish right there. And it's in the color Luxe. Yeah. So I love purple. If you can't tell, they at least know I love purple. I think I'm going to enjoy everything that I have. I can see myself using almost every product. But this is my Ipsy haul. And I just think it's amazing. I had literally a year's supply just stocked up, sitting and waiting for me. Anyway, go ahead and like and subscribe to the video. And in the meantime, I'll see you in between time. And I post several times a week.